everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be doing this graduation slay makeup tutorial. Now graduation season is upon us. I am actually graduating really soon, so I thought why not create a whole bunch of graduation makeup tutorials. Now this is a very dramatic look that I decided to start off with, and I was very inspired by this new Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow that I picked up recently, and this is in the shade 1 Second to Mars, and I was like, how can I incorporate this into a slay look? And I decided, why not try a dark blue smoky eye? And yeah, I really like the way it has turned out. Obviously, if you guys do not want to do blue on graduation day, then you can totally change up the blue to maybe a black or a purple or whatever the case may be is. I also tried a different technique with the half cut crease kind of look. I've been seeing this a lot on Instagram lately and I was very inspired to do this look. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this graduation slay makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. So for primer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline BabySkin Instant Pore Eraser. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing two foundations. I'm going to be going in with my black Opal stick foundation in the shade Rich Caramel. And I have to say, when I used this in that Recreating Jaclyn Hill's tutorial, I was like, this combined with another foundation is really bomb.com. So I'm going to be combining it with my Rimmel Lasting Finish foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and using my damp Real Techniques Miracle complexion sponge, and just blending this all together. So for concealer, I'm going to be going in with two concealers just because I'm a little extra like that. And I'm first going to go in with my Maybelline BabySkin. I'm lying. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I just like putting it under my eyes to kind of give my eyes a little bit more of a brightened effect. And then going in with my Wet n Wild Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Peach, and just going over all of these areas. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my SwitchBeauty MatteBounce powder, and I'm just going to use this to bake all my highlighted areas. If you are going to be graduating at night, I highly suggest you guys use a different powder to bake, because this will give you flashback. Going in with my SwitchBeauty Slays for Days palette and taking the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone, and then taking this warm brown transition shade, I'm just going to be dusting this all the way from inner corner to outer corner of my eye, also taking that on the lower lash line. Then going in with an orange shade and kind of warming up the crease, adding some depth as well. Next, going in with my SwitchBeauty Unicorn Source palette and taking this dark blue shade, and I'm just using a flat brush to kind of pack the pigment onto the outer corner of my eye and halfway into my crease. And then taking a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna lightly start going in and blending away any harsh lines that the blue has created. I'm going to pick up a little bit of orange as well and just help this color diffuse. I'm also just going to pack some blue eyeshadow right on the outer corner of the eye, fading it towards the center of the eye. Okay, so once we have blended all of this out, I'm going to go in with this Essence I Heart Stage eyeshadow base and just put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use this to clean up this cut crease portion of the eye. So you want to cut your crease in such a way that when you open your eyes, it basically disappears into the fold of your eye, if that makes sense. If the cut crease is a bit too low, then what happens is that the eyelid shade transfers into the crease and it becomes a hot mess, and we don't want that. When I reach halfway, I'm just going to kind of wing out the cut crease like this, and I'm going to kind of blend it, kind of creating like a slant kind of gradient situation, and then just going in and making sure that the blue is blending in. Next, for the star of the show, I'm going to be using this Essence Metal Shock eyeshadow. This is in the shade 1 Second to Mars, and I'm going to put this on the back of my hand because we need to get quite precise with the eyeshadow. I don't want to be making a mess with that applicator. And I'm just going to pack this all over that space that we just created. Going in with my Inglot Gel liner in the number 77, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw some wings. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Benefit Roller Lash. So I don't have a nude eye pencil, but I'm going to go in with my Benefit Highbrow, and I'm just going to line my lower waterline. Just makes such a big difference. To bronze my face, I'm just going to go in with my Essence Sun Club matte bronzing powder. And then I'm also going to go ahead and contour. For blush, I'm going to be mixing these two right here from my Dupe Factorie 9B blush palette. Now I'm going a bit out of sequence right now just because my skin is so dry and so blemished and so healing. There's a lot of dryness going on right now, so I'm going to go in with my MAC Fix Plus and just kind of douse my face in this. For highlight today, I'm going to be using my MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and I'm just going to be popping this on the tops of my cheeks. I'm also going to use MAC Oh Darling to just highlight my brow bone and also my inner tear ducts. For lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC Plum Lip Liner first and just line my lips. And then going in with my MAC Whirl Lipstick. And lastly, to finish off the look, I'm going to go off of camera and apply my Tassy B lashes in the style Leo. And I'll be right back. So that is pretty much it for this graduation makeup slay tutorial. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, like my video, share with all of your friends, and all that great stuff. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!